Did you know that nearly 50% of adults over 30 have some form of gum disease? Yeah, that's right. It's a lot more common than you might think, and it can sneak up on you before you even know it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic: reversing gum disease naturally. Oral health isn't just about having a bright smile. It's crucial for your overall well-being too. So stick around as we explore some natural methods that can make a big difference in your gum health. Alright, let's talk about the not-so-fun stuff first. Gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, can lead to some pretty uncomfortable and concerning issues. You might notice bad breath that just won't go away. Or maybe your gums bleed when you brush your teeth. Yikes! And if left unchecked, it could even result in tooth loss. That's why it's so important to take action if you're experiencing any of these symptoms. Ignoring gum disease is not an option. It can affect your eating habits, confidence, and even lead to more serious health problems down the line. So let's get proactive about our gum health. Now that we've established the problem, let's explore some natural remedies that can help combat gum disease. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth, like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.